Alright everyone, for tonight's video, naisip ko na baka maganda before we start yung mga lessons natin, kumbaga yung quote-unquote lesson proper, na magkaroon muna tayo ng short primer on what you can expect for the next few weeks, no? Ano yung mga videos na lalabas, ano yung mga pwede nyong matutunan, 'di ba? Para lang ma-set natin yung expectations nyo for what's to come. At the same time, it's a way for us to gather some questions earlier. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, 'di ba? You can post them in the comment section below para i-feel namin na hindi siya nasama sa future lessons. We can slowly build it in bago pa matapos yung pag-shoot ng lahat ng videos na lalabas. Okay? Also, it's to help you prepare yourselves for what's to come. Para walang bigla, walang bulaga. Okay? So, bakit Anatomy of a Scam? Anatomy of a Scam is the title of Spyfrat's website before, no? And it's been the title that he has always envisioned for his book. Now, you may have noticed na S.C.A.M may mga dot-dot sa gitna. That's because it stands for Stock Charts Analysis Mind. It used to stand for Stocks Con Artist Mind, but we decided na for this series of videos, we wanted to put a more positive connotation to it para whether or not bago ka pa lang sa market, matagal ka na, veteran ka na, baka jaded ka na or whatever, your view won't be tainted by any negative connotations that may come with some words from the previous acronym. Okay? We wanted to start fresh, we wanted to start positive, and we are hoping na because of that approach, yung entire series ma-affect ng positivity na yon. Okay, so that's why yan yung title. Ayaw namin siya palitan from this because we both agree na it's a very catchy title. Na kapag nakita siya ng mga tao, may curious ka eh. And you want to know, ano nga ba yun? Bakit yun? Bakit to? Diba? So we're hoping that because of the title and then because of the new positive adjustments, that mas mapapansin ng mga audience, ng mga traders, itong mga series of videos na to, and hopefully marami silang mapulot na aral from Boss Spyfrat. Okay? Now, I've received a few questions, nung tanong is, will it be free? Okay, so my apologies, no, I really should have been very clear do sa teaser video, but all of the videos will be free. Okay, from start to finish, lahat po yan libre, walang bayad. Hindi po yung kunwari, after mo panoorin tong video na to, kailangan mo magbayad ng X amount, 'di ba? May paywall bago mo mapapatuloy yung kasunod. Walang ganon. From start to finish, all of these videos will be free. No exceptions. Okay? Now, what will be the release schedule? For now, ang kasunduan namin ni Boss Spyfrat is we will be releasing weekly videos. Okay? The videos will be released on Saturday ng 8 p.m. So every week may isang video na lalabas and each video will tackle a specific topic. Now, there are certain topics na baka mas mahaba or mas comprehensive that will require 2 videos instead of 1. And if that's the case, then that will be split over 2 weeks. Every week talaga, isang video lang ang lalabas. Bakit? Kasi the goal of this, all of this, is for the videos to act as parang a companion or an added guide for the book ni Boss Spyfrat, which I apologize, I'm late, no? Ako yung nagusulat, na late na ako sa pagtapos. So, dapat pagiging companion to nung libro. So, we wanted to make sure the videos will be in bite-sized pieces, easily digestible, para kung nagbabasa ka man ng libro or kahit hindi, at pinanood mo to, madali lang yung manonood ka, maiintindihan mo yung pinapaliwanag sa'yo, matatapos, pwede ka muna magpahinga before you move on to the next one. At the same time, kung very eager ka naman, binibinge watch mo yung mga videos, then hindi ka mawawala, hindi nakakalito yung discussion from video to video kasi they are all in bite-sized pieces. Each video, ang target namin will be anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes long. Okay? No more than that. Tapos kapag mag-exceed man doon, yun nga, we might just split it into 2 separate videos. And because of that, hindi pa kami 100% sure kung how long it will take to finish all of the videos. After all, medyo comprehensive yung i-cover natin eh. Okay? If I had to guess, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 months, more or less. Now, if sabihin natin, you just can't get enough of it. You want there to be more videos. You want it to be now. You want it to be faster. Then, the best way for that to happen is to show us with your views, with your likes, with your comments. Diba? Syempre, at the end of the day, this is a YouTube channel and we want to produce content na ma-appreciate at magugustuhan yung lahat. So if you feel like you can go faster, if you feel like you want more in a shorter amount of time, then keep watching the videos, keep sharing the videos, spam those likes. Diba? Let us know. Let us know in the comment section. Diba? The more in demand it is, the more likely na pwedeng bumilis yung schedule. But for now, it's gonna be 1 video a week. Alright? Now, what can you expect na mga pag-uusapan natin? Some of the topics we'll be discussing over the next few weeks will be yung parabolic theory ni Boss Spy, ceiling theory, Bebemon, Goku, at kung ano-ano pa. Okay? We are going to go through each and every single one of them, discuss them in detail with matching examples para maging very helpful and marami kayong learnings na makukuha from all of those videos. Now, there will be some videos na mas text-intensive. Okay? Hindi namin maiwasan yon. I tried to minimize the text as much as possible, tas damihan yung examples, but some things are lost kasi. So, during those times, if you don't want to read all of the texts, then feel free, take a screenshot, read them later. Pinapaliwanag ko naman lahat hanggat kaya. It's just that, since, again, this is to serve as a companion to the book, it works better kapag ka ganon para hand in hand talaga sila. Okay? If, as we shoot more videos along the way, we see that there's a better way to do things, of course, we'll do it that way. But for now, ganun yung magiging approach. Hindi naman lahat, no? Meron lang talaga iba na mas text-intensive just because they have to be. Okay? Now, will Spyfrat be in the videos? So, short answer, no. He won't be appearing or personally teaching in any of the videos. However, papakiusapan natin si Boss Spyfrat na mas maging alert at pinapansin yung comment section kapag meron kayong mga tanong. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga tanong, lalo na kapag medyo bago-bago pa lang yung video, okay? I will approach Boss Spyfrat and ask him if he can answer those questions sa comment sections personally. Okay, again, this is kapag medyo bago pa lang yung video. Huwag naman yung tipong 3-4 na linggo na, tapos bigla may lilitaw na question, tapos pipilitin nyo, hindi, kailangan si Boss Spyfrat yung sumagot, no? Mahirapan tayo sa ganon. Kasi he's also a very busy person. So that's one thing. The other thing is, if there are a lot of questions sa comment section, and we feel na magandang gumawa ng Q&A videos with Spyfrat, then I will ask him na mag-schedule kami ng time kung meron siyang free time para gumawa ng quick Q&A video to answer some of the more complex questions kung meron man. Diba? We're pretty confident that because of our approach sa mga videos na hindi ganun karami dapat yung magiging tanong, but syempre we can never be sure. Diba? We want to accept any and all questions, whether it's from long-time traders na or mga bago pa lang. We want to answer all of your questions as much as possible. So, if ma-feel namin yung need to create a Q&A video, then we will. And those are the circumstances na baka ma-include si Boss Spyfrat sa mga videos. Okay? Now, do I need to prepare for anything? Wala naman, no? But you do need to have a basic understanding of what the stock market is. Okay, what stocks are. And kung ano yung mga broker, paano pumili ng broker, and things like that. Those videos will not be included sa series na to. Kasi hahaba lang lalo eh. Ang dami na nga natin pag-uusapan, dadagdagan ko pa, di ba? But, I did do a couple of videos na regarding those topics, and I'll put a link to those in the description box below as well. Para pwede nyong i-check muna bago kayong magsimula sa series na to, lalo na kapag bago pa lang kayo. Now, aside from that, we will tackle everything else, even yung basics na candlestick reading, diba? Paano magbasa ng bar charts, things like that. We will go through them, albeit we'll try to keep it brief. But we will tackle them because they will be part of the book. Okay? Now, what can you not expect from this series? Okay? First off, this series will not do any chart requests. Okay? Wala yung Boss Spyfrat, baka pwede pa-chart ako ng G. O kaya, Boss Spyfrat, baka pwede patingin ako ng chart ng Ani or whatever. Okay? That's just simply not gonna happen. Ang series na to will be focused totally on lessons. Okay? Meron tayong examples na ibibigay, both old and new. But it will focus specifically on lessons. Wala tayong live charting. Okay? Hindi rin tayo magkakaroon ng YouTube live sessions. Okay? Wala tayong biglaan na impromptu. Everything will be recorded para kung gusto nyong panoorin ulit, mabilis lang para sa inyo hanapin. Lahat sila malalagay under the Anatomy of a Scam playlist. Okay? So, kapag nakasubscribe kayo sa channel ko, you can look for that playlist and then all the videos will be there in the order that they're intended to be, and you can watch them all in order. Okay? This will not be a rehash ng mga ibang tinuturo sa BOH. Of course, yung mga tinuturo doon is proprietary to them and I will not encroach on that. Okay? Kapag solid BOH na teaching, then hindi ko siya gagalawin. Lahat ng subject matter natin will revolve only sa mga theories and teachings ni Boss Spyfrat. Okay? Also, hindi po tayo magbibigay ng stock tips or stock picks sa series na to. Meaning, kapag may nagtanong, Boss Spy, anong bibilin ko? Wala po kayong makukuhang sagot. Okay? Again, ang focus natin is solely on providing traders with lessons based on mga teachings, mga learnings, mga philosophies, mga paniniwala ni Boss Spyfrat, and that's it. Okay? Ako po ay parang bosses lang. Isipin nyo na lang na parang, I don't know, narrator lang ako dito. Okay? I know na yung bosses ko hindi parang Morgan Freeman, no? Sana nga ganun, kaso hindi eh. But, yun yung role ko dito. I will try my best to not insert any of my personal beliefs or philosophies into Boss Spyfrat's teachings. Okay? The other thing that you should not expect from this series is na after nyo sa panoorin, dapat expert trader na kayo. Hindi po talaga ganun yon. It doesn't work that way. Okay? We will teach you yung step-by-step process, again, based sa mga tinuturo namin sa libro. But, in the end, it's up to you to put in the work to become a better trader. The process is there. The process we'll discuss. But the work, the actual monitor time, chart time, and so on, that's on you. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video na to. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions or preempt some of your questions. And at the same time, I hope na nakapag-set kami ng mabuti on what your expectations can be coming into this series. And we hope, okay, it is our sincere hope na magustuhan nyo tong series na to. Marami kayong mapulot na aral, na yumamang kayong lahat ng todo sa mga matututunan nyo from this. And as always guys, maraming salamat po for watching. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!